This is a room tour at the Encore, room 1727, and I'm kind of excited for that because my birthday is 7/27. So you walk in, and this is what you see when you first come in here. I have never stayed here before. I'm quite excited to stay here. I was able to tier match, and I got this room as an offer, and this was comped for 3 nights. So right when you walk in, there is a control area that controls your lights, privacy, if you need room service or not. So that's nice. You come this way, and the first thing is the bathroom. And this is beautiful. Look at this tub. This is lovely and gorgeous. I will be taking a nice bath here, some nice artwork, very big shower, and a nice little shower head over there, and a little bench. And here's your lights. Of course, all your toiletries, and there's a scale. I don't know if that's good or bad. More towels. There's a nice little vanity right there. Hello, everyone. You can sit here. I will be doing my makeup here. There is, I guess it's a shoe polish, a buffing thing. There are cotton swabs, lotion, and little like powder puffs, nail file. There's also a TV right there. Glasses, 2 sinks, very nice. Over here, robe. Yes, I'm all about having a robe. That's beautiful. Over here is the toilet room with a door, and there is a phone. The phones are still here. I heard Win remodeled and the phones are gone. So in case you need to make an important business call while you're doing your business. Walk out here, very big mirror to check yourself. And right here is the closet. Very big double doors. Open it up right here. You have your ironing board and iron, a little luggage rack, some storage drawers right here. There's stuff if you'd like to unpack. The safe is right here in the closet. Walk this way. Over here is the very nice big bed. It's very pretty. Another big mirror and a big TV. I do believe the TV swivels around so you can watch it on the other side also. And look, it says my name. That's cute. Over here, we have a little iPad-like thing that controls everything in the room, and your phone, of course. And then you pop this up, and there's your charging ports. That's awesome. There's also an additional one right there. There is a little pull-out table. Maybe you'd like to have a little snack next to your bed or something. Also, this is the funniest thing I've seen so far. There is an actual Gideon Bible in here. Have not seen that anywhere in all my stays yet. So this is a first. Lovely big pillows. I love that. Over here, another end table. Same thing, little drawer to store your things. Lights, another charging area right there. There are more drawers right here to store your items if you need to do that. Over here is your mini bar area. So you have your ice bucket, some nice glasses, the things that shall not be touched. We got a Revive kit, intimacy kit, potato chips, some candy and snacks. And down here is the mini bar. Only thing, there is no additional refrigerator. That's a bummer, but that's okay. I will just get some ice. Then you walk into the living room area, and here's the back of the TV, and I believe it turns around. So let's see. Oh, there it goes. Oh, wrong way. And now the TV is in the living room. You have a nice little side table, lamp, big couch. You have a work desk over here with your phone. They did give 2 masks if in case you need it. Another charging port, and there is Alexa. Alexa, play Britney Spears.
Britney Spears from iHeartRadio.
Alexa, stop. Over here, of course, is the air conditioning, and it's set to 65. And this is the very big window right here. I don't have the best view, I will say that. I can see Resorts World, which will be nice tonight, and down towards the end of the strip. And I think you can make out maybe downtown. I'm not sure. I can see Circa way down there. And then, and a church. So, you know. Oh, and the golf course is over there. I would have liked to have the other side, but that's okay. Especially because this was a comp. And I've never stayed here before. So this is really exciting for me. So here is a little overview again of the room. It is beautiful. And this was a room tour. If you like this, please thumbs it up and subscribe. And until next time.